Hello everybody, myself Rishabh Gaur. I'm a first year BTech student and today is all gonna be about this. So let's get started. Okay, so here we go. So today we have a 2011 Maruti Suzuki SX4. So this is the key of the vehicle. Lock, unlock, basic. So here we go. Let's pop up the hood and down here you see a 1.3 liter multi-jet diesel engine, produces 89 horsepower and 200 newton meters of torque. Here you can fill the washer fluid. That's about it. Kind of heavy. Here we get conventional halogen headlamps. Here are the indicators. Yeah, I mean personally to me it kind of look like a beast. So here are the halogen fog lamps. Yeah, all halogen, no LEDs, because in 2011 there were hardly any cars that came with LEDs in Indian car market. Yeah, so coming to the side, gets a 4500 mm length, 180 mm of ground clearance. Yes, also it gets a 205 60 R16s silver colored alloy wheels. Has been fitted with Yokohama rubber on all four tires. Yeah, there's a side indicator. TDI is badging. And let's get back to the rear. Actually it gets front disc brakes and a rear drum brake setup. So that's how the rear looks like. Yeah, I know it looks similar to Skoda Rapid. Yeah. So SX4 badging, ZDI as its top trim, and you get halogen rear tail lamps, an indicator, and this, my friends, is a rear fog light. Yeah, rear fog light. And that's about it. Let's open the trunk, and here it gets a 504 liter massive boot space. Yeah, right, 504 liters. And also gets a boot lamp. Yeah, 504 liters. That's more than a Kia Sonet, and actually more than Hyundai Creta as well. Yeah. So that's the rear look again, and let's get to the side. So here you fill diesel, gets a 45 liters fuel tank, and range is actually its mileage is 21 kmpl, rated by Maruti Suzuki. Gets around 17 to 18, and it has practically a range of 800 kilometers, 800 or 700 kilometers. Okay, so let's get into the rear. Gets beige and brown interiors. So let's get inside. Yeah, knee room is adequate. The seat has been pushed really far back. Here you get speaker, no tweeters in the rear, powered windows switch. It looks like. Yeah, also gets a center armrest. Yeah, center armrest with no cup holders. That's kind of sad. Two adjustable headrest. Yeah, adjustable headrest, kind of purani car ho gayi. Gets adjustable headrest, a center cabin lamp. That's all about the rear. So let's get into the front, shall we? Okay. So now let's get into the front seat, my favorite. And here is the front door. Gets all four powered windows, power mirror adjustable switch, and that's junk. Okay, so here we are in the front seat of Maruti Suzuki SX4. Let's turn off the hazard lamp first. Here, let's run from the left. Here is the rear view mirror. That's power adjustable. Yeah, few cars in 2011 got power adjustable outside rear view mirrors. Here are the AC vents. That's for the fog lamp, headlight leveler, and car alarm. So here is the instrument cluster. On the left you get a tachometer, on the center it gets a speedometer. Read up to 200 km/h, but gets around 180. I have personally drove 10V60, gets 180, gets till 180. So here is the fuel gauge. Yeah, diesel is kind of costly right nowadays. Okay, don't judge me. Here you get the engine temperature. We have driven this around 1,39,000. Yeah, that's kind of long run. Okay, in the center you get a clock along with outside temperature, 2 AC vents in the center, a basic 2-DIN in audio system. Yeah, a CD player. Okay, here is you get a semi-auto AC, because you can turn it to auto for the air circulation, turn it for the auto for the fan speed as well. Here you have the temperature controller, two cup holders, some space. That's a Bluetooth dongle. Gets a 12V charging socket, a 5-speed manual gearbox. That's the rear view mirror. Okay, in the front it gets a tall receipt holder, windows visor, no mirror, no lamp. On the left you get a mirror, no light. These are the center lights, push button. Okay, here is the glove box, decent sized, not cooled. Manual handbrake, some more bottle holder, and this is how the rear looks like. It also gets rear, let me show you, rear defogger. Yes, I still don't know what these lines got to do. I personally think it kind of it's for the radio antenna, because there is no shark fin antenna or conventional antenna in this car. Yeah, that's about it. So now let's hear the engine noise, shall we? Yeah, kind of basic because there is no exhaust or anything. Let's turn on the AC. Oh. Okay. Gets steering mounted controls. That's for the skip the track, that's volume, mute, and change the mode. It's also here on once. Yeah, reminds you of Creta, right? Because it is Creta horn. Gets one touch auto down in the window from the driver side, but no touch up, one touch up. Okay, that's quite it. Gets tilt adjustment steering, not telescopic. Yeah, and also gets height adjustable seat belts, front seat belts. That are height adjustable. Three hooks, all three retractable. Actually, SX4 gets an OBD2 compliant ECU. That means onboard diagnostics. So according to this, it tells you when the car is polluting more than it should be. So that's makes it one of the less polluting vehicle. Great, right? But still, even after 10 years, this car pollutes half the aggregated value. Allowed value is 1.2 or something, I don't remember exactly. So that's all about SX4. Hope you kinda liked it. I know बहुत ही बेकार वीडियो बनी है, बहुत सारे cuts हैं, but hey, you gotta start from somewhere, right? So if you like it, consider subscribing my channel. Your support is needed a lot. So I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye.